Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will walk you through the process of resolving the issue of transition not applying in DaVinci Resolve 18. This problem isn't just exclusive to DaVinci Resolve 18, it's a common issue across various video editors. But don't worry, I have got a solution for you. Let's dive in. As you can see, I'm attempting to apply a crash zoom transition between two clips, but it is not working. The reason behind this hiccup is that none of our clips are trimmed. So let's say if we trim one of our clips, we can easily apply the transition. A quick fix if you don't need a specific part of your footage. However, there might be some instances where you don't want to trim that part, as it contains essential details. In such cases, I've got you covered. Press Ctrl+Z to undo everything. Then select both clips between which you want to apply your transition. Right click on either clip and select the first option, New Compound Clip. Name your clip and press Create. Now DaVinci Resolve will merge both clips for you. Now place your marker where you want the transition. And press Ctrl+B to split the footage. And there you go. Now you can apply your transition between your clips as usual. And if you select your transition, you can also adjust the duration and experiment with various controls in the Inspector tab over here. That wraps up for today's video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.